A warm welcome to the second film in our construction drawing series, in which we examine the basic principles that shape construction drawings and the information they contain. We have already established that a construction drawing is made for a specific trade. Each drawing should tell the particular tradesperson where to build what. A 1 to 50 construction drawing provides an overview of the largest possible area. References to detailed drawings indicate that there are further working drawings dealing with specific sections in even greater detail. One important principle of any floor plan also applies to construction drawings. The cutting plane is set at a height of 1 meter so that both doors and windows are shown. As we saw in the first series of films, the content of a construction drawing depends on how easy the individual components are to represent and the degree of abstraction required. The content of the drawing is limited to the elements that can be drawn clearly and cleanly by hand. While 70 cm thick walls can be shown using 2 parallel lines, for example, a single line should be used for doors. If 2 lines were used, it would be impossible to draw them close enough together. For this reason, doors and their direction of opening are indicated symbolically on construction drawings. Their construction is then shown in a detail drawing. But a construction drawing shows more than just the different elements of a building. It also provides dimension chains for component measurements, written information about openings and component characteristics, door numbers, elevations, room labels, and references to detail drawings. This type of drawing needs to contain a lot of information, which must be well organized to make it easy to locate and understand. Summary. Construction drawings are produced to a scale of 1 to 50. They provide an overview of the largest possible area and contain references to detail drawings. In addition to the various elements of a building, a construction drawing contains lots of other information, including dimension chains, elevations, and room labels. Why not take a look at the third film in our construction drawing series? It deals with the different line types and weights used in construction drawings.